Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, checking on gold and silver. I'm just looking at the daily charts right now. I'm going to put them both in this one video. Key area we're watching. This is a major area. We are very bullish on gold. We actually have a bunch of it in our portfolio. 180, 150 rotation zone and these key lows. If we get a move below that, we'll start watching for the bigger pullback. We do have a lot of gaps. This is overextended. We have this micro double top, but I'd be watching that area. Now, I'm not saying you can't go higher. This is where you trail a stop. This is not where you try to pick a top. You try to trail a stop. That actually comes out like a tongue twister. Right now, with this potential double top, it's still potential because it hasn't even confirmed it. I'm updating the levels for everyone. So going into next week, on the upside above 186.14, 189.78, 192.39 to 193.42, and then 198.65. So all your bull plays, should it just keep marching higher. Burned off a bit of its overbought with this little dip. I'll just real quick to the 4 hour, not going to analyze it, but you see here, pulling back straight to the rotation zone and rotating back up. Just key note, 4 hour chart, key supports at that 180 with the 12.5% retracement. So if you're watching that 4 hour chart, that would be a little before the full gap fill. Major support starting next week, coming in at 175, but don't expect to see that unless we have a massive dollar rally. Checking in on silver. SLV, here's our daily chart. So you see that nice pullback straight to the rotation zone. Today rotating back up. I'll do a little 4 hour analysis just to keep it. So it came back down to that 12.5% retracement and moving back up above the rotation zone. So key 4 hour support would be just above this gap fill. Let's just double check that. What the full gap fill would be to the opening price here. 2134. 2134 is right here. So yeah, just behind the full gap fill is the bottom of the rotation zone. So on any silver sell-off next week, that's your key first level of support based off the 4 hour. Just now jumping back to the daily. First key level we'll start watching is just this 12.5% retracement with the rising rotation zone. If it reconnects, then we'll start watching for this key low at 2142. Then if we break below that with any momentum, we'll start watching around 2052. Now to the upside, above 2323, 2416, 2478 to 2509, and then 2632. So those are all your key levels. The upside, by the way, major support on the daily coming in just around this, just below this 2014. I'd be watching the 25% pullback because remember, shallow pullback, which is what it just did, was a 12.5. Normal pullback is a 25%. So we have for you in gold and silver, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.